Thanks, Jane. Listen, it's great to be here and get the early call up off the bench a bit earlier than expected. But my name's Brett Mitchell. I'm the Executive Chairman of Uvre Limited. UVA is the ticker code. And we've just completed a transformational acquisition of 5 New Zealand gold projects. And together with the projects, which the lead project, the Tier 1 project, Waitekauri, is a standout asset located only 5 kilometres from the Oceana's Waihi gold mine and less than 7 k's from WKP. But as well as the assets, the part of the key rationale and driver for this acquisition that we've undertaken, we only completed it a few weeks ago. It came along with Norm Seckold. Norm has joined the board. Norm is now the largest shareholder of UVA, and Norm's background and reputation in the Australian mining industry needs no explanation, but he's a very, very successful business builder, as he calls himself. He's currently the exec chairman of Nickel Industries, which is capped over $2 billion. He's also the exec chairman of Alpha HPA, which is over $1 billion market cap. And critically for this strategy and acquisition by Uvre of these assets, Norm was also the original chairman and largest shareholder of Santana. And Santana Minerals, as many of you would know, is a market darling currently of the ASX and is probably leading the way in terms of New Zealand gold assets and stories, and is capped at over 400 million. So we're seeing this as Santana 2.0. In terms of the assets themselves, Waitekauri, we have 2 projects in the North Island, 3 in the South. Waitekauri is the Tier 1 lead project. It's a brownfields asset. As I mentioned before, it's got that great combination that most of the brokers and investors here like about mining projects. It has geology and neurology covered off. So the Waihi gold mine is probably the most famous in New Zealand. It's 10 million ounce deposit. WKP there's over 2 million ounces there at over 14 grams. And the WKP asset, which sits about 7 kilometres north of our tenement boundary, and our main focus at Waitekauri of the Jubilee target, they've just had some reported some exceptional drill intercepts of 4 metres at 48 grams and 8 metres at 25. So they're step out holes to the south of the existing resource, heading towards our project at Waitekauri. We're well funded. We've, thanks to James Unger and the Bell Potter team, we raised $4 million. We've got a total of $6 million cash in the bank. We've got 189 million shares on issue. We've got a tight capital structure, and we're funded to go ahead and start drilling. We'll start drilling Waitekauri at the end of September, and we're planning a 3,000 metre drilling program there to kick it off. We've also got 3 projects in the South Island, which are in the Santana and also Macraes region. Odarahua is the lead project there. That was previously mined, like up at Waitekauri at Jubilee. Both of those produced about 20,000 ounces historically at 48 grams. So these deposits that we're hunting and looking to develop will be a very, very high grade. So it's low tonnage, high grade mining. In terms of our market cap currently, post the raise with 190 million shares on issue, we're capped at $23 million. We're leveraged to success. We're about to start the drill program in September at Waitekauri. We're about to sign up a drill rig contract now. So we're going to have imminent news flow. We're well funded for an aggressive campaign over the next 2 years at Waitekauri initially. UVA is the code, and we'll look forward to getting out the results during the October-November period. Thanks a lot for your time, and would welcome any questions. Come and see myself or Jason Beckton, who is part of the major shareholders and vendors of the projects here afterwards. Thank you.